Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get anime clips for your edits. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get started. The first and easiest method is to go to YouTube. Simply type in the name of the anime character you're looking for, followed by Twixer Clips. Then, click on the Videos tab. Here, you'll find a variety of clips that you can use in your edits. This works with any anime character. You just need to be creative with your searches. The second method is to visit one of these websites that provide anime clips. These sites have huge catalogs of clips perfect for editing. Here's the first website. As you can see, it has a lot of high-quality clips available. And here's the second one. Just like the first, it has a great selection of anime clips. The same goes for the third and fourth websites. If you don't find the clip you need on one site, try another until you find the perfect clip for your edit. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thanks for watching.